This is part 3 of the video for guided project 6.1. In part 2, we stop at question 14. So now we'll continue with question 15. So A, you click on this time division worksheet, and then you go to cell G5. G5. Now we're going to calculate the division between the actual and the schedule. So here you enter equal to, open bracket, your F5 minus your E5, then you close bracket, times 24 times 60. So here we have to bracket F5 minus E5. Why? Because we want to do the subtraction first, and after that we multiply 24 or 60 to turn this into minutes. So this is okay. You type 2460 to convert the result to days and then to minutes. Alright, so this is correct, so you press accept. Now you see a series hex sign. Why? Because this is time, so we have to change this to number. Okay, you change this number, you get -6, so this is correct. Negative -6, so we copy to the rest. Okay, then we finish this, we're going to calculate the mean absolute deviation. Here, two steps required. One is convert all these numbers into absolute numbers, i.e. no negative. And then after that, you get the average or the mean. Okay, so we go to I5. Okay, this is I5. I5, we're going to use the X function. So we go to formulas. Under this maths and trigonometry, you find ABS. Absolute. So this one, and here the number you specify G5. So you convert G5 into positive number, so we say okay. Alright, so it's negative, positive, and then you copy to the rest. Okay, so this is how we get the positive numbers. Then after that we go to cell D27, and use the average function to calculate what is the average of all these extra numbers. So average is go to more function to statistical, and this is average. Okay, average out. Then for the number, what you do is simply you just go to okay, we select I5 to I24, and it tells us 10.35. 10.35, yes, 10.35 is correct. So we say okay. So this is how we calculate the MAT. Now next one, okay, it says right click column I and choose hide. So in other words, we right click column I and you hide the column. Okay, then we go to the next question. 17, calculate the standard deviation. So here standard deviation is very easy. You just put cursor at this D28, go to more function, stats, and look for standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation S. Okay, and what are numbers you want to do your standard deviation? You want to do it from this one, G524, and tell us is 13.301548. 13.301548. So this is correct. We say okay. Right, so we finished 17. So now we're going to do 18. 18, we're going to use flight hours. So this is flight hours. Okay, there are three things that we want to do here. Here, you want to find whether is February more than 20. This one is you find either February or March, and this you find both February and March. So we start with February greater 21st. So say go to F4, okay, and then logical, choose logical F. So I'm F4, I go logical, and I choose if I am. Okay, so if what's the logical test? The test here is we say is your this D4, the February hours, greater than 20. If true, we say yes. If false, we say no. Okay, so we accept. we copy to the rest. Okay, you can see that for all these, this is under 20, so that's okay. Oh, no. This one is all more than 20, so say yes. Okay, so our if statement is correct. So we can go down to use the OR function. So go to this G4, and same thing, logical. Here we choose OR, OR. Okay, OR, there's two tests. The first test is we test whether this D4 is equal to 20 or E4 greater than 20. Answer in this case is no, both are less than 20. Neither is more than 20. So we say okay. Then we copy to the rest. Okay, we can check this here. You can see this one here, 22 more, 15 less, but it's true. Why? Because it's all. Only 1 month qualifies to get a true. Okay, so now we go down and we will do the A and D. Right, 20 A and D. And the same thing here. It says go to H4. Okay, H4. Then we go to logical and select A and D. Okay, A and D. Again, two tests. Logical one is your I4 greater than 20. Alright. Then you come down to second one. You test is your E4 greater than 20. Okay. So this is AND. So if both is greater than 20, the answer is true. Here is false. Why? Because both is less than 20. So you get a false. So we say okay, this is correct. I say okay. Then we copy to the rest. Okay, so you look at this item here. You see this is 22 more, this is less, so this is false. Okay, because it has to be both. You look at this one. This is 21, 22. So true. Now this one result is actually dubious because this is undefined, so we really don't know. So this one result can be a bit kind of not really true or false, or whatever my belief it is. Okay, then we want to correct error. We come down here. This is use if error display a custom message. Alright, now here you find that you have this error message. Why? Because this value here is undefined. We don't know whether it's 11 or LL or II. Okay, so we're going to change the formula here, this formula here, to make sure that it checks for error, and error come out with your own error message. So here it says delete the I4. So we go to I4. We're going to delete. Okay, and then we're going to replace it with a new formula. So here the new formula use if error. So we come down here, logical if error. Okay, if error here. Okay, what is a new formula? New formula is, you look at here, is actually bracket here. Then you say D4. Okay, D4 plus your E4 close bracket, and then we divide by N4. Divide by N4. Okay, by N4. Alright, and N4 here we have to press the function key. This say press F4 bracket N4. This means press the function key F4. Now when I press F4, I turn this into abstract address. So that when I copy this to the rest, this always stays at N4. It won't become N5, N6, N7, N8. Okay, all sorts of wrong data. So this is correct. We then we come to here. Value error. If there's error, how do you do? Error. You key in the error message. You say check value. Value error box and type check value. So we come here. You say check values. Okay. And then correct, you say okay. So now I can copy to all the rest. Now you see, now here instead of value you say check values. Okay, so this is how we display our own error messages. So we come to here, then this one say copy the formula to I5, I8, which we have done it, and then you say format the percent into decimal. So I select all these. I go to my home, I choose percent and 1 decimal, 2 decimal. Okay, so we are done with it. So next one we do 22. We are going to do the IFS function. So we come to this one here, go to this J4 and then bring out the IFS function. Okay, so IFS logical, so you go to formula, logical. Okay, some of you, your version of Excel may not have IFS. If you don't have IFS, then you have to use what is known as nested if. And for nested if, please refer to lesson notes, the hints for question 22. In that particular set of notes, hint 22, I have given you the alternative nested if formula. So if you have IFS, you follow the demo. If you don't have, please refer to the hints for this GP61 question number 22 and make use of the alternative nested if formula down there. Okay, so IFS. Okay, here it asks for several questions. Logical test 1. Test 1 is you test this one. Is this I4 greater or equal to 100? We're making use of this 100. Okay, if yes, if your I4, the total hours allowable is greater than 100%, then you display the message say do not schedule. So we come down to this one here, value true, and we will click this one, do not schedule, N8. Now N8, because we want to copy this formula to the rest, we have to hold this as an extra address, so you press function key F4. Okay, so there's a logical test 1. Then we go to logical test 2. The logical test 2, same thing. We want to find out whether your this N4 is greater or equal to, now we use 91%. Okay, 91%. Okay, now here percent. So similarly here I have a mistake here. I have to change this to percent. Alright, change this to percent because this value are all in percent. Okay, so we use percent. So value true, we will display this message, call to schedule. Okay, same thing, have to turn it as address by pressing function key F4. Okay, your third test. Your third test is you want to make sure that this one, your I4 is greater or equal to 70%. Okay, this one, 70%. Okay, then if this is greater than 10%, you would display this message. But you say, hey, I've finished, what to do? Okay, don't worry, just scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. See, value true, you basically say, I want this. Okay, then you press F1 to turn to as an address. Alright, so remember, you can use the scroll bar here to go up to the first one. You can use scroll bar to go down. Okay, I see some more, but we don't need them. We actually come to here, we finish with it. Alright, we stop here. Okay, so this one, because your value here is 94 to 20.29, which is down here, so that's why the message is called to schedule. So this is correct, we put okay, then we can copy to the rest. Alright, copy to the rest. So here we have actually done all the way to finish all the message here. Now I will stop here, and for the rest of the question in guided project 6.1, we will do it in part 4 of the video. Okay, thank you.